Okay, so let's do it again. Okay. So is it clear, guys? You have to create your GitHub account with the same email ID that you have registered in Masai. Okay. So let me tell you what will be the flow of today's session. So first of all, I'll be demonstrating you guys how to integrate your GitHub account to Masai. Secondly, I'll be onboarding you all guys to CP. That's our new platform, coding platform. And thirdly, we will be having a doubt session. Okay, after 9. Fine. Okay, now I want you guys to raise your hand whose GitHub and Masai registered email ID is same, because I'll be requiring your help for demonstration. Others? Okay. बाकी सबकी email ID अलग है या you haven't created an account? I have asked you whose email ID for Masai and GitHub are same. They can raise your hand. Okay, fine. Haven't created, so you can create your GitHub account. Okay. ठीक है. So I want someone. Ankush, can you unmute yourself? Baki, you guys can lower down your hands. Ankush.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Are you?
Can you hear me?
Wait. Yes, Ankush, I can hear you. So, firstly, what I'll be doing, I'll be demonstrating how to integrate your GitHub account to your Masai repo. Okay. So, Ankush, can you please share your screen?
ठीक है सर मैंने मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर रखा है
Why are you guys doing like this? Okay. Others, I guess, who's raised? Sripat, are you there?
Sir, I'm suffering from cold, so it will be difficult for me to do it.
Okay. Who else was there? Shagun, are you there? Shagun, I'm audible to you. Can you unmute yourself? Think Praveen Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your IDs are same, correct?
Yes.
Can you please share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can you give me the access? Okay, guys, see what you have to do. First of all, go to your course platform. Okay. Secondly, just go to your profile section. If you scroll down from here, you will find this section, integration. Okay. Initially, you will have like this, not integrated. Okay. Is it clear how to navigate till here? Okay. Then what you have to do is click on this integrate, continue, but make sure that your email IDs are same. Otherwise, it will not be happening. Then you have to authorize to use your GitHub account. Praveen, you can enter your GitHub account password.
I don't remember, sir.
How on earth you are not remembering your GitHub account password?
Okay.
Try once. So you have been integrated. Okay, now what you have to do is go to your GitHub, refresh your page. If there is any notification, you need to just follow it. Okay, so there is no notification. Praveen, just wait a second. I'll be creating your Masai repo. Okay,
Yes.
just give me a second. Okay. So till now it is clear, guys. Can you confirm in the chat what you have to do? Yes, no, others? Okay, let me repeat the steps. Can you give me the Praveen again?
इससे शेयर करना पड़ेगा क्या सर?
हाँ, accept करो. Okay. So what you guys need to do is just go to your profile section. Afterwards, you have to go to the integration section below. It will be here. Now you have to accept your invitation from Masai. Okay, it will be mailed to you. Can you go to your email, Gmail, Praveen?
Yes, sir.
Is okay. Here you have receiving this kind of invite. Now just click join Masai course. Okay. After doing these steps, you will be having your Masai repo after 24 hours. Okay. Done till now? I have stopped sharing the screen of the person. Guys, till now it is fine. Okay. So let me share my screen now. Is my screen visible to you? Where I have to go is go to your profile section, go to this integration, click on this integrate, and before pressing integrate, make sure that your Masai email ID and your registered email ID on GitHub is same. Okay. If it is not same, if you have already created a GitHub account using different email ID, just go to your GitHub account, then go to settings. Afterwards, you can go to email, and here you can change your email IDs. Okay. There will be a section. I guess there is some backend issue in GitHub, but you can do it the same way. Okay. Go to this email and you can change from here. Okay. Fine. Okay. For those, may I know if you have already integrated? Who have already integrated? Karan. Okay. Karan, are you from previous batches?
नो सर, मैंने बस वही एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था तो मैंने ऐसे इंटीग्रेट कर दिया था, लेकिन अब तक रेपो आई नहीं मेरे पे।
No, repo will be there tomorrow.
ओके ओके।
Okay. Those who have already integrated, those who are from different batches, you can use the same Masai repo and you can just change your repo ka naam basically. Okay. The format will be given to you. Fine, guys. Till now, is it clear? Yes, no? Is there any doubts? It's a very crucial process. If you have any doubts, please ask. Done? Okay. Make sure that you are doing it today only. All of you. Okay. So now let's come to your CP. Just confirm if my screen is visible again. Devang, if you are joined late, please watch the recordings. Okay, let me come to your CP. So here is a site cp.masaischool.com. Now, anyone knows what is CP? Anyone? No? Okay. So it is a new platform. Its full form is coding platform. What you guys will be doing here is you will be given some assignment and evaluations here. So till now, when you were doing HTML and CSS, you are given the assignment, you are solving, and you are just submitting. You are not given any marks and all, correct? Although it is checked from backend, but you are not given marks. Yes or no? Here, if your assignments are on CP, you can get your marks immediately after solving the question. Okay. So for now, you have three platforms: course platform, CP, and your OJ. In all of them, you will get the assignments. Fine. So you guys can log in now only. The email ID is the registered email ID for your Masai, and the password is Masai in all small caps. Okay. Guys, try if you are able to log in. You can reset the password to change the password. For now, the password for all of you are same, Masai. You can see cp.masaischool.com. You can log in from there. So let me repeat myself. CP is a new platform where you will be given your assignments and evaluations, where after solving them, you will be able to get your marks immediately. Okay. With the proper remarks, where you have gone wrong, where you have gone right. Fine. Don't worry, I'll be solving one assignment that is released to you guys. Okay. Are you guys able to log in? Okay. Fine. So let me show you what should be the okay. Let me go to your assignments only. You are given an assignment today. Cap 7. See, this is the assignment that will be available to you after 8:30. Okay. I will sharing the link in the chat. cp.masaischool.com. Okay. So this is the problem that you are given. The CP link is already given to you. Okay. Okay, the problem looks like this. Okay, here you will be having your start time like it was mentioned on OJ, and the problems name are here, JS intro to CP. This is your problem name. Okay, here you will be getting your max marks, how many, from how much marks you are given the marks, and your overall best score. You can submit your assignments multiple times till you are having the deadline. Okay, there is no issue in that, just like your OJ. Fine. Okay, so now let's see how the problems look like. If you click on this problem, you will be getting an dashboard like this. First of all, whenever you are getting an assignment on this CP platform, you will be given a template. Okay, though that template will be in the zip file, and you can download that zip file from here. Fine. Is it clear? Okay. Now here is the problem description. After you have opened this zip file, you can see here and check the description. First of all, you have to install this npm install engine strict. That command you have to write in the terminal. I will show you how to write, no issues. Then there is a test command, there is a test all command. After that, there are some rules that you should be using the Node version 16.16. If you are not installed, please install it. And do not change or override your packet.json file. Okay. Afterwards, you will be getting your file structure, how it will be, how is the file structure of your zip file, and where you need to solve it. So here it is written that you have to solve all of these things in index.js. All these functions will be given to you in the problem and you have to solve it. Simple. Till now, any doubts in this dashboard? What you have to submit here, I will tell you. No issues? Okay. So let me download this zip file. Suppose I have downloaded this zip file on my desktop. Is it the same one? Okay. Stop. I'm just saving it. Let me remember the name. 2644. Okay, save. Is my desktop visible to you? Okay. Okay. So this is my zip file. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to unzip it. How to unzip? Just right click on it and click to extract all. Choose the same folder and you can extract. You will be getting a folder outside of it. Visible? This folder will be created. Afterwards, what you have to do is just click on this, either copy paste or cut paste, cut into your जो आपको repo मिलेगा मसाई का उसमें. Okay, is it clear? Suppose this repo I have got from Masai. I go into that. You can create some folders. I have created cap9. You can paste it here. Works easy. Make sure that every time you are getting an assignment on CP, you have to solve it in your Masai ka repo. Easy. Okay. Now what you need to do is open your VS Code. You can right click from there also. Or if you want to open it from VS Code, just open your Masai ka repo. Then navigate to your folder. This is my folder. Visible? Just now I pasted this. Yes or no? Visible? Yes, no? Okay. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to open your terminal. I guess basic commands are clear to you. Yesterday was your session. We will do it today also, no issues. Open your git bash. I hope you have installed your git and VS Code all together. Fine. Now tell me, where am I? Am I at the correct folder that I have downloaded? No, I am at my Masai repo. Okay. If you are on the repo, you will get this master or main alongside your path. Okay. If you have opened your Git bash. Now, how to navigate? You can write cd. Then this folder is in my cap9. So I will write cap9. Afterwards, this is some folder 266, 264. Okay. And hit enter. Afterwards, you can see there are multiple folders inside it. Can you see while I'm hovering? So you have to go to your last folder. I have one Masaika folder as well after it. So cd Masaika folder, enter. Fine. Now I am at the correct repository. Okay. Make sure that you are always at the correct repositories before running any commands. So let's come back to your CP. Here for installation, you are given this npm install engine strict. Do you guys know what this command do? No. Okay. So what this command is for, npm stands for node package manager. Okay. So basically you will be learning all these things afterwards, but for now, keep it easy. Just run these commands. After running this command, you will be having node modules in your this folder. You will see if I hit enter, it will take some time to download it from internet and import it to your assignment ka folder. It might take some seconds, for some of you few minutes based on your internet speed. Can you see one folder appears here, node modules? Correct. So this command imports this folder from internet. And how these node modules are coming based on this package.json given to you. Okay, Iskandar, or everything is mentioned, what all needs to be installed. Okay. You don't need to worry about this for now. Just run the command. Okay. All these packages are there, which is of no use for now. After you learn it, you will learn all about them. Now, next is what is given there is to run the test, you can write this npm t command. For watch mode, you can write this command. Afterwards, you need to solve in this index.js. Can I open index.js? Where I'll found it? I'll found it in my src folder. Okay. After I click on this, you will be given a template where you need to solve it. Okay. This is pretty detailed thing given to you, but future may all the details should be given here only, not on that template. Okay. So first of all, how to check your marks? Okay. If you run npm t command right here in the terminal, npm t, and hit enter, it will check how many test cases are passing. See what it is showing: 4 test case failed, 1 test case passed. Okay. And how this 1 test case is passed? Because this function is already pre-written to you. You don't need to do anything. Okay. Okay. So let's solve the last one. So what is given to us is, you already have learned functions and all, objects and functions. Yes or no? In your JS? Correct. You just need to follow. Suppose you are given this function where function name is object factory, and this is having a parameter fname and age. Okay. So you are already given an object. What you need to return is, you have to return an object whose structure is something like this. And from where this Raj and 26 are given? From this fname and age. Correct? So if you need to add a key on your object, and the key is given in the form of parameter, what should I write here? Can I write obj.fname? Will it create a key? No, it will not create. It will create a key of fname. Fname will be the name of the key. But do we want fname as a key? We want Raj as a key, correct? Raj or Vijay or whatever stored in this fname. Correct. So before this, you need to evaluate. So for evaluation, we use square braces. Yes or no? Correct. And equal to age, which is already given to you. Fine. Now we'll be having Raj colon 26 in our object. Clear? Now let's run the test cases again. Now if you will see, we have solved one more thing. So you will be having 3 failed and 2 passed, if I'm not wrong. Fine. Okay. If it was wrong, it will not give you the same marks. Suppose if I have used dot fname. Okay. Now if I run the test case, what will it show you? Will it be passed? No, still it is saying 4 failed, 1 passed. Because I have done it wrong here. Simple. It will show you where you are, it is expecting something RAS 26, but you are getting something else. Okay. See, if it was expecting RAS 26 and you are getting this. Yes or no? Clear? Okay. So let's correct this. Okay, let's solve other functions as well. Expect to return null value. So what you can do is return null. Solved. Next is you have to do interpolation. So you have to replace your text here. What it is expecting us to give this thing. You already know that. Correct? Backtick mein how you can access the variables. Yes or no? You guys have learned the backticks as I remember. Okay, so this is the thing you have to do, and make sure to keep spaces also equal to which is given in the test case. Here one space is given, so you have to give the space. Otherwise, it will not pass. Okay, next is this one. Here, what you have to write: first name. This is not required. Last name. S. Age is this age. I guess it should work. Make sure that the full stop is also there. Suppose I'm not using this full stop here. If I run the test case, what will happen? Let's see how many test cases are passing. See, 4 test cases are passing, and you will see what it is expecting and what is received. It is expecting a full stop also, but you are not getting. So let's apply a full stop also and run the test cases again. Works. Now you will ask how the test cases are being checked. Can you see this test file? You don't need to open it, but here the test cases are written, what needs to be checked, and according to that, it is checking. Sometimes what happens is this test case has some issues. So what you can do is to check your marks. Suppose this is my this is in my GitHub repository. So how to add it in my GitHub? Anyone knows? The commands? Correct. You have to write git add. All the new files will be added. Then you need to commit something. What is added? Suppose I have added CP test. Enter. Git commit command you already know. Now git push. Whatever your origin is. My origin is master. Enter. And it will be pushed. If you go to your GitHub now, let me open it. Make sure that you are doing it in your Masai repo. Okay. You will be given your Masai repo tomorrow if you have done the integration. Afterwards, you can start solving. Now this is my CP test that I have just pushed. See, what you need to submit on your CP is this path where your SRC is visible. Okay, can you see this SRC? This is the path that you submit. Just copy this URL and just submit it here. GitHub URL. Just paste it here and click on submit. Okay, now it is queued. It will be checked. You can refresh it also. It will auto refresh after 5 minutes, but if you want, you can hard refresh it. For now, it is saying testing. Let's refresh it again. Still testing. Fine. Let's give it some seconds. Can you see? Completed. And you are given the score 10. Fine. If somehow यहाँ पे वो टेस्ट केस नहीं चल रहे हैं अगर आपके, there is no issue. You can check there also. You can submit multiple times. Karan, what's your question? Can we change the link, Mane?
हाँ सर, जैसे हमने वहां पर अपना लिंक जो गेट का है वो वहां पे पेस्ट कर दिया, तो उसके बाद अगर हमें चेंज करना है तो चेंज हो जाएगा ना वो?
यार वो आपके
ये
मार्क्स
URL,
आपको मिल जाएंगे जितने भी हैं आपके,
राइट?
उसके बाद आप चेंज कर सकते हो, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है। जो मैक्सिमम होगा
ओके
वो माना जाएगा।
ओके ओके।
Suppose I have given some wrong path. Okay, instead of giving this SRC path, I go here and I have submitted this. Now what will happen? Let's see. I have submitted. It is queued. So let's refresh. See what it's saying? Evaluation failed. Correct? If you go to logs, you will find why it is failed. What it is showing? It is not showing you any errors as of now here. Because packet.json वाली फाइल उसको नहीं मिली. Correct? And where it was? Where the SRC was there. Correct? packet.json वाला फोल्डर उसको चाहिए, तभी वो चलेगा. करेक्ट. नाउ इफ यू वांट, सपोज मैंने पहले वो सबमिट किया था, इफ यू व्यू द लॉग्स फ्रॉम हियर, व्हाट विल यू सी? लेट्स सी. You will see all these details. Okay, your test logs are main that you need to see. Here you will see all the test cases are passing. If anything fails, it will be crossed here. Okay, is it clear, guys? Any issues till now? Once you start solving some assignments on CP, you will get a hang of it. There is no issue. In the starting, it might be a little overwhelming. Understood everything till now? Please type 1 in the chat, otherwise 0. And if you are typing 0, please write your reason also, what you have not understood. Once you integrate from here, once you integrate and give authorization to the Masai, you will be getting your repo within 24 hours. Okay. And in that repo, you can solve your CP problems. If you try to solve in other repositories, it will not accept. Okay, it will straightly show you it is not a Masai repo. वो Masai repo से ही check करेगा आपके assignments. Okay. Correct. Still, आप जब try करने बैठोगे, you will get some doubts. For that, what we are doing, we are just rolling out a form today. उसमें आप अपनी queries डाल सकते हो. Okay. Those will be resolving in the next doubt session. चलेगा? Okay, no worries. Guys, do your integration. You will be getting your repo. If you have already integrated, you will get the repo. If the Masai ka and your GitHub ka email ID is same. Okay. Okay, so let me stop the recording.